the difference between evaporation and boiling. Now, both evaporation and boiling are changes of matter from the liquid state to the gas state. But what is the difference between them? Now, the first difference is that evaporation occurs all the time in the liquid, okay? So if you leave a water bottle, let's say for a decade in a room, after a decade, you're gonna find out that the water amount has decreased, the volume of the water has decreased slightly because some water has evaporated, okay? Now, but boiling is changed from liquid to gas, but it occurs at a specific temperature known as the boiling point, okay? So we know that evaporation occurs all the time and boiling occurs at a specific temperature. Now, in evaporation, only the high kinetic energy surface particles of the liquid are going to evaporate into gas and they're going to change state. Okay, so only surface particles with high kinetic energy are going to escape. But in boiling, the whole liquid itself is going to change into gas, okay? Now in evaporation, bubbles are present, of course, bubbles are not present, and in boiling, bubbles are present, okay? Now, of course, because evaporation is occurring over a range of temperatures, alright, it does not require a specific temperature to occur. There are some factors that affect evaporation rate. For example, surface area, temperature, concentration gradient, wind speed. All these factors can increase the evaporation rate, okay? But the temperature will never be constant. It can be various temperatures. In boiling, on the other hand, it occurs at a specific temperature known as the boiling point, and during this time, there is no change in temperature. It is not increasing, nor is it decreasing, okay? Why? Because when the particles of liquids are close to each other, all the energy is being used to separate the particles, increasing their kinetic energy as we're applying heat to them. So this is why the temperature stays constant, because all the energy for the temperature is being used to expand the particles into a gas. And these are the main differences between evaporation and boiling.